Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into forlow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer and today I've got this TEAC CD recorder. It's got a dual tray system so that you can easily dub CDs if you want, and it can even do the commercial CDs. And the model number of it is RW-CD22, and we'll just go ahead and start talking about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have optical and coaxial digital audio input and output, and then you have analog input and output right there. And the manufacture date is August of 2000, and it was made in China. To connect it, you have a few different options, but we're going to go ahead and use the analog output. And you could connect another device using the input if you would like. And after you have the audio cables connected, go ahead and plug in the power. And then once you have it all wired up, you can go ahead and power it on, and we'll go ahead and put the discs in right now. Did you know that when this disc is in there, it spins at up to 500 rotations per minute? So when it's in there, it's spinning pretty fast. And when you go and pick out a disc to record with, this is going to be your record tray. You need to make sure that you pick a CD-R audio or music disc. If you pick any other kind of disc, it's not going to work. You could use CD-RW, and CD-RWs you can record more than once. You can keep recording and recording. With -Rs you can only record once. So we're going to use a CD-R, and we'll close the tray. And this is the original remote control that comes with it. It's got pretty much all the same functions that are on the front panel. Some buttons that aren't on the front panel though would be the play mode buttons. Like you can use shuffle mode if you want. That'll randomly play tracks that are on the disc. And then you also have a number pad as well. And on the front panel of it, you have a power button right here, open and close button, input selector for switching between coaxial, optical, and analog. That's for if you want to record from another source or if you want to play from another source. And then you have your dubbing mode options. You can switch between high and 1x speed. And then you have auto/manual, and then you have your music skip and music search buttons. And then you have stop, play, and pause. And then you have your digital display right here. It's got a nice big lettering so you can easily see it from a distance. And then you have finalize and erase. You want to make sure that you finalize every disc that you record, otherwise it's not going to work in other players. And then you have sync and sync 1/all, and then you have record, stop, play, pause, and then your music skip and search buttons again, and then eject, and then you can adjust the recording volume with these two buttons right here. So we'll go ahead and begin dubbing. To begin dubbing, what you do is you'll push the dubbing mode button. You'll set it to 1x or high speed dubbing. And then you will push the play button. Alright, so once it's done dubbing, it will automatically finalize, and that takes a couple minutes, and you definitely want to make sure you do that, as I said earlier. That's pretty much all there is for this TEAC CD recorder. Now we have a second copy of that CD, and we can do whatever we want with it. We can hold on to it just in case the other one gets damaged. We can gift it to someone, or just have a second copy laying around if we want to keep one in a certain place, maybe a CD changer or something. But if you want to order one of these, make sure you get it at forlow.net from us. It's the best place to buy vintage electronics. You're going to get the best guarantees and the best deal. If you want to order one, give us a call or check it out on our online store.